Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make a smoothie. I came up with a good blend that I kind of like. So I want to share that with you, okay? I want it to go with my dinner. So I'm going to adjust the camera and we're going to get started, okay? Okay, so I'm going to be using the Ninja. And I have fallen in love with the Ninja. It is great. Okay, so what I do is I bag up all kinds of fruit. So this is prunes, watermelon, peaches, and bananas. All the fruit is frozen, all of it. Okay, so it's no rhyme or reason. You just put a little of each. Okay, so I'm putting the watermelon in. Who'd have knew watermelon could be frozen and do this? It's a great idea, right? Okay, so I put a couple of pieces of watermelon in there. And a couple of pieces of prunes. That's probably about maybe I'd say a half a prune. A half of a peach. That might be too much because it has to be able to, okay, a quarter of a peach because I got to get the bananas in there because the banana is the sweetener. And you want to freeze the bananas when they're really ripe. Like, look like you got brown spots on the outside of the skin. That's when you want to freeze it. Okay, and that's equivalent to maybe a whole banana. Okay, so you want to be able to put this top on, and I just want to show you this. There's a line here that says full. If you go past that point, you got a problem putting this on. Okay, all right. So now I have some raspberry syrup. It's the same raspberry syrup that you put in coffee. So I'm just going to pour a little. I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons. And I got some lemon extract. Now, you can just go for it with the flavors, whatever way you want to make yours. If you want some extract in here to give it a boost of flavor, go ahead. If you don't, it's okay. All right, so now I'm going to put some water halfway, okay? Okay, so you can see I have some water. Maybe 3/4 of the way I have water. Shut that down. But make sure you put it on tight. And twist it to the right. Okay, when I do mine, I start out on boost and start for the first 10 seconds so that boost can really break up the frozen fruit, okay? And then I stop it, and then I put it on flavored drinks, last button on the right, and start to finish it, okay? So boost, start. Okay. When it stops, you should be able to see it move like this. If it doesn't move, that means you need to mix it some more. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more thing. That's if you want to have it naturally, no sweetener. If you want a sweetener, you can do this before you mix it, or you can do it later. I just wanted to show you both ways you can add a sweetener. So I'm adding 2 packages of sugar substitute. Okay? It's up to you if you want to add a sweetener. You don't. If you maybe you want honey, maybe you want nothing at all. So now I'm going to put this in. And you really don't have to leave this mix alone once you add the sweetener, because just a matter of a few seconds. Okay, we did about 8 seconds on the sweetener. All right. Okay, so now I buy these cups from Dunkin' Donuts. You pay 25 cents for the cup and the lid. So that's what I've been doing, because it's tall enough to hold the smoothie. Okay, we're gonna put that on, and we're gonna get our straw, and let's have a taste.